It's as easy as 1, 2, 3 when installing your new SkyFiber high-speed modem. To install your new modem, follow these instructions. First, to disconnect your old modem, please unplug the device from its power source. Next, disconnect the RF cable from behind, as well as any Ethernet cables that are connected. You may now remove the older modem and connect your new high-speed modem to the network. Step 1. Connect the new high-speed modem to the SkyFiber network by RF cable, making sure that the cable connections are properly secured. Step 2. Power up your SkyFiber high-speed modem by plugging the power cord to an electrical outlet. Your modem may take up to 5 minutes to boot. Do not unplug it during this process. The power icon, upload and download icons, and online icon should remain steady and solid for at least 1 minute, while the Wi-Fi icons underneath should have a continuous blink. Step 3. Connecting your device or computer to your new SkyFiber high-speed modem. If you are connecting through Wi-Fi, you will need to look for the network ID and password on the bottom of your new modem. Now, search for the same network ID on your device or computer through your Wi-Fi settings. Input the password and get connected. If connecting through a Lan cable, plug one end of the Ethernet cable to the new SkyFiber high-speed modem and the other end to your computer. The Lan icon should light up when properly installed. Now, enjoy fiber-fast days ahead with your new SkyFiber high-speed modem. For more details on SkyFiber's newest plans and upgrades, visit www.mysky.com.ph/SkyFiber.